Well, good morning, everyone. It's Sunday morning. Actually beautiful outside, a little windy, but we've decided we're going to head to the Scarecrow Festival in Chappel Hill, Texas.
See what this is all about.
Yeah, have a little fun, maybe find a little something here or there. So we're on our way.
Nice day today.
It is.
A little breezy, a little windy. They may hear that on the video, but it's good temperature though. So this has ended up being basically just a big craft show, it looks like.
It is. And this is straight down main drag.
Main Street, yeah.
Yeah.
They've got streets blocked off down the main street here in town. Pretty big deal. That goes a long ways up. That's only about less than halfway up there at the end. Got a skeleton action going on here. It's good.
Absolutely love these old homes. Just absolutely gorgeous. Right down Main Street, Chappel Hill, Texas. Gotta love it. Well, we have walked back to our vehicle and we're at the end of today's adventure, the Chappel Hill Scarecrow Festival.
If you like our content, hit the like button, subscribe, and then click that bell to get notifications of new videos.